Good morning. It is a pleasure to welcome you. I'm Tommy. I'm the founder and CEO of up4Distribution, the global venture accelerators. It is a pleasure to introduce you Henning.
Hey, good morning, Tommy. The joy is absolutely all mine. Nice to see you here in your up4D venture world. I'm Henning, CEO and founder of METAVERSLING. We ensure productive experiences in corporate and B2B metaverses worldwide.
Wow, today is a great day. Why? Because we celebrate today with you the grand opening of the up4Distribution MetaVenture Lab and the MetaVenture World.
Oh yes, Tommy. An intensive time is behind us and we are happy to be part of the first global startup metaverse.
Let's start now to collaborate on an efficient and contemporary way. Bye bye, Henning.
Tommy, all the best for your new world. Bye.